Hey, what's up, guys and girls? The wait is now over because WhatsApp business has finally made it to the market. Though not the Indian market to the US market, but in this video, I will be telling you a simple procedure of getting that WhatsApp business on your Android phone. So, hey guys, this is one you're watching Android Planet, and let's get into business with WhatsApp business. Now the procedure is not all that tough. The first thing is you have to go to the link in the description and then you will be on a website. You can even just copy and paste it in the search bar of your Chrome browser. Once you open up the link, you will be on this up to down WhatsApp business page, and guys, keep in mind this website is safe. I've been using it for years and it's completely safe to use. If the download doesn't start, click on the click here button, and after some time this will appear, so just click on download. Once the download has started, just wait for the download procedure to complete. Only 34 MB is in size, so nothing to worry about. Even downloading on data won't be something harsh. So just go ahead and then install it on your phone. Once the installation is complete, click on the open button and then you will be on the page very similar to WhatsApp. Now if you click on not a business, then it tells you to download WhatsApp, but that's not what we are here for. So just click on agree and continue, granted all the permissions, enter your phone number and then try to make an account. Now the problem is it doesn't let you make an account, and that's because for reasons that are not known to me. But in the future you might or might not be able to make an account, and that's how you can get it on your phone. Till then there's the normal WhatsApp. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, then you know what to do. Press the like button, subscribe button, and all the buttons you think to will help our channel grow. Maybe one day we will have a WhatsApp business Android Planet account. Who knows? So bye bye now. Have a nice day. I'm leaving for the moment.